Today we are going to discuss about perimeter stroke circumference. So for 2 seconds, what is perimeter? So from previous classes or previous lessons, of course, we learned that perimeter is the distance of, so we are saying perimeter, this is the distance around a given figure. Then circumference is the distance around a circular figure. So the difference between the two, that is the perimeter and the circumference. Perimeter is the distance around a given figure. But when you talk of circular, a figure that is circular, definitely we are referring to as circumference. So I don't want to base more about this, but I want us to go straight to the examples. And the first example is we are dealing with a circle. So example number 1. Example 1. Find the circumference. Find the circumference of the figure below. And the figure that we are referring to is a simple circle. Let's draw that circle, and we have a diameter of 28. So we are saying circumference is pi d, and of course our pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by our diameter is 28. 7 1 7 4, and you have 88. So we start with the simplest before we go to the complex questions. Our example 2, we have a semicircle. A semicircle, that is a half of a circle. We are saying number 2, find the circumference of the figure below given pi to be 22 over 7. So we have a circle. There's a half a circle or a semicircle. So you say that circumference for this is a half, then pi d plus the d. So we are saying a half pi d, then plus the diameter. So the half pi d is the distance from there up to that point. Then you need to add the diameter so that you complete the circumference of this figure, or the perimeter of this figure. So we are saying a half, our pi is 22 over 7, and our diameter is 14 times 14 plus 14. So 2 1 2 11 7 1 7 2 22 plus 14, we have 36 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter. So that is our circumference, or that is our perimeter of this half circle. Then the other one, we have a quarter. A quarter or circle. Let's use this as example 3. Find the circumference of the figure below, given pi to be 22 over 7. So our figure is a quarter of a circle. So something like that. So we have from that point to the center there, we have 14 centimeter. Also there is 14 centimeter. So we're saying circumference of this, or perimeter of this, is a quarter pi d plus d. Don't forget to add d, just like what you have done here. So most of the learners, after finding out half pi d, they forget to add d. Or some, they apply a wrong formula. They say half pi d multiplied by d. So that is again wrong. So in this case, because we are looking at the perimeter, the distance round this figure, it is a quarter pi d plus d, whereby we have a quarter, our pi is 22/7, then our diameter is 28, then plus 28. So 2 goes there 2 goes there 11, 7 1, 7 14, 2 1, 2 7. That is 77 plus 28. And that is 5, and that is 105. So we have 105 centimeter, and that is the circumference of this figure. Our last on the circle, it is 3/4. It is the 3/4 of a circle. The last is 3/4. So we have, this is example 4. We are saying number 4. Find the circumference of the figure below given by to be 22/7. So let's have the 3/4 of a circle, something like that. So we have our radius. Let's say our radius to be 21 centimeter. So the formula for this, we are saying 3/4, that is 3/4 pi d plus d. So you have 3/4 multiplied by 22/7, then times the diameter is 42 plus 42. So 2, 2, 2, 11, 7, 1, 7, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3. 33 times 3, that is 99. 99 plus 42, 9, 42, 11, that is 14. So you have 141 centimeter, and that is the circumference, or that is the perimeter around this figure. So we are moving on to now to different or combined shapes. Of course, class 8, of course, you are more than this. So we are moving on to the combined shapes, and of course, let's see how we work out questions given in a combined figure. Given in a combined figure, and that is our number 5. That is our number 5. Example 5. So we are saying, find, or let's put it this way. Kipchoge, went round the figure below twice. Find the distance. Find the distance covered. So we are going to sketch the figure. This is the figure. So you have there, that is dotted. So we have, that is 28, and that is 40. So we are saying that Kipchoge went round the figure below twice. Find the distance covered. So when you look at this figure, we have the two semicircle. What you're going to do, we are going to combine them so that we find the distance from that point up to that point, and also the distance from that point to this point. So that's why we are combining this, and we say perimeter is equals to the pi d, then plus these two length here. That is 40 plus 40, and that is 80. So we are saying the perimeter here, it is the pi d, the combination of these two semicircles, that is from that point up to that point, then there is also this point to that point. It makes a full circle. We are using pi d plus 80. The 80 is this length and this length, which is 80. So definitely we have 22 over 7 multiplied by the diameter is 28 plus that is 80. 7174. That is 88. 88 plus 80 is 168. So we have 168. The question is, this person went twice. So we multiply by 2 times 2. That is giving us 16. 12, that is 13. And of course, that is 3. So 336 centimeter. That is the distance covered by Kipchoge going around this figure twice. The other example, the sixth one now, before I give you work, the sixth example, again it's a combined, it is a combined, we have a figure like this. Let's put down the question. Aisha walked round the figure. Aisha walked round the figure below twice. Find the distance covered. Find the distance covered. And this is a figure. The diagram looks like this. Then we have a bigger semicircle. Let me sketch it well. Something like this. Something like that. Then we have now this and this. So that is our figure. So we have this distance from there to there. We have 14. We have 14 centimeter. So this is the distance that, of course, Aisha went round. Of course, it is twice. So perimeter, you find that you can, we have 3 semicircles. We have 3 semicircles. We have the bigger semicircle, and we have these 2 semicircles of sharing the same diameter. So what we are going to do, we are going to combine the 2 to be a circle. That means it is the distance from there to there, then up to there. Then we are going to add this distance. So we are saying perimeter is equals to a half pi d. There is no plus d there. It is a half pi d, which is the distance from that point to this point. Then plus pi d. That is the distance of the 2 semicircles. So we have a half. Our diameter, our pi is 22 out of 7. Then our diameter is, for the bigger semicircle, the diameter is 28. So that is 2, 1, 11, 1, 4. So we have 44. Then the 2 semicircle, the 2 semicircle, combination of the 2 semicircle, it is the pi d, which we have 22 over 7 times the diameter is 14 times 7172. That is again 44. So we are going to have 44 plus 44, and that is 88 centimeter. The question is, Aisha went twice, so multiply by 2 again. So 88 by 2, of course, we are going to have 176. 176. So we have 176 centimeter, and that is the perimeter for that figure. So learners, what I want you to do is that when you have a combined figure like this, try to begin. Sometimes they give you like this, but the diameter of this, maybe these two semicircles, is not the same. So meaning there is no way you're going to combine them. We are just combining them because they share the same diameter. But sometimes they can give you, for example, this is 14, and maybe they give you this is 21. So there's no way you're going to combine them. But we have combined them because of the sharing of the same diameter. So for today's work, I want you to do exercise 4.1. That is today's work. Exercise 4.1. That is the book we are using is KCP Mirror. Exercise 4.1. We have numbers 1 up to number 15. So exercise 4.1, KCPE Mirror. Exercise 4.1, numbers 1 up to 15. The page is page 75. So the page is 75. So then another thing is, after your work is done, make sure you forward the work for marking. Learners, I want to end the lesson there. And of course, I hope you will do the work and you bring the work for marking. Thank you for